Low-budget PC build, CPU plus GPU option. AMD Ryzen 5560G, 6 cores, 12 threads, Vega 7 iGPU. Great for budget builds with decent integrated graphics. Approx $120. Motherboard, ASRock B550M, HDV or MSI B550M, PRO-VDH WIFI, Micro-ATX AM4 socket. Approx $70 to $90. RAM, 16 gigabytes, 2x8 gigabytes, DDR4 200 MHz dual channel for max. iGPU performance, approx $40 to $50. Storage, 500 gigabytes. NVMe SSD Crucial, P3, WD Blue. SN57, 0 approx, $30 to $40. Case plus combo, Thermaltake Versa H18, with 500 watt PSU or similar budget combo, approx 60 to 70 optional discrete GPU, if budget allows. Used GTX 1650 or RX 6400, $80 to $120 on the secondhand market. Total without GPU, $320 to $350 total with used GPU, $409 $450 use case. Fit, gaming 720p, 1080p light gaming, Valorant CS2, Fortnite, GTA 5. Productivity, share office, browsing, light editing, upgradable. You can add a discrete GPU later and upgrade CPU to Ryzen 7 5800X. Would you prefer Intel or AMD? Pre-built or DIY? Any specific use case, e.g., gaming, editing, office? Let me know and I can tailor it further.